Item number 3.1, which is the confirmation of the minutes, the Ordinary Council meeting on the 27th of August 2019. Could I ask for any clarification of those minutes, please? Right, that be the case. Could I have a move, please? Moved by Councillor Hickling.
I move, Your Worship, and it looks as though I was in the chair.
Yep, great. Thank you very much for doing that job too. Much appreciated. I won't tell you where I was, but a lot warmer in here anyway. But all right, it's been moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Boddy. All those in favour, please say aye. It's against, carried. Item 3.2, which is the Ordinary Council meeting on the 3rd of September. Do I have any clarification of those minutes? No. Thank you very much. Could I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried.